My name is Adrian with Project Ramos, and on this channel I do tech reviews and tech unboxings. So if you love tech like I do, consider subscribing. This is the Famall heavy-duty tripod dolly. It's made of aluminum and it has 3-inch wheels on it. This has become a staple in my studio here. It allows me to wheel my light around for product photography and portraits, so I'm able to set up my lights quickly, get them in position, and lock it into place. I'll show you a demo now. This is the Famall heavy-duty tripod dolly. I'm currently using it to be able to wheel around my light for product photography and different photo shoots that I do here in studio. And as you can see, I have the light stand mounted onto it, and the light that I have currently on here is the newer CB60 with a lantern softbox. So with this dolly now, I'm able to move the light around very easily. It's very fluid. These wheels move around very easy. And then I'm able to get this light in position wherever it is I need it. And then once I do have it in position, if I don't want the light to move around on me, then you can lock the wheels in. And all 3 wheels lock. That way, if you do lock them down, then this dolly's not going to move around on you. Now, the settings that I currently have for this dolly right now, I have these legs fully extended. So that's as wide as you can get this base. But if you need to get it a little more narrow, you can do that by loosening this latch here, and then you can shorten the length of the tubes. And there's a latch on each one of the legs here. So you're going to be able to do that. Now, as far as securing your light stand onto this dolly, it has this system right here where as soon as the leg goes into this piece right here, then you just tighten this into it, and that will hold the leg in place and it won't loosen up from there. And so you do that for each of the 3 legs, and once you got everything in position, then this dolly will hang on to your light stand very good. And then also this piece right here and this piece right here can't collapse together. And this pin right here is what holds and secures this leg from collapsing. So these 2 legs, being that they collapse, they both have pins. That way they won't accidentally collapse on you while you're using it. Now, in order to store this unit, what you're going to want to do is when you bring the legs together, the locking mechanisms for the outer legs should be pointing out, and the locking mechanism for the inside legs should be pointing in. So that way when you bring it together, all 3 wheels are going to line up like this. So once you got it positioned like that, you can Velcro this, and then take your time, slide it into the bag, and this can sometimes be a little challenging, but as long as you get the wheels tucked away the way I just demonstrated, you'll be able to get this bag zipped up. And there you go. Now this is ready to go. So there you have it, folks. That is the Famall heavy-duty tripod dolly. This has helped me with my productivity here in studio. It has sped up my workflow, and it's definitely something that I use all the time.